Hey, my name is Nicholson. I hope you guys are well. And in this video, I'm going to talk about why you must use a marketing funnel in your business and ultimately what will happen if you don't and what will happen if you do. Now, I'm going to assume if you're watching a video like this, you're a coach, a consultant, maybe you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, e-commerce store owner, marketer, or someone looking to start a business. Now, if any of those match you, then why are you here? Can you help me out? Make sure you smash the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. I make new content every day on marketing and getting customers as well as scaling businesses. So this is the right channel for you. While you're here, make sure you get involved. Now, I've been in business for 17 years now. And in that time, I've had all the ups and downs that you get as an entrepreneur. I've tried everything. And lots of things have not worked for me in business, but also lots has as well. And over that 17-year period, I've developed something very special, which I call my Business Accelerator methodology. And this channel, I will share with you my journey and how you can implement this and get this working in your business. Now, why do you need a marketing funnel? Well, first and foremost, most business owners, unfortunately, they go bust, right? Most businesses don't survive. And that's essential that you understand that whether that's going to be you or not. And most business owners, the reason why they really get stuff wrong is in their marketing, they try and get married on a first date, right? And what I mean by that is they just advertise the product or service straight off the bat. So they're advertising on Google and YouTube and all these other platforms to people that have never heard of them. They don't know them, they don't like them, they don't trust them, and they're expecting people to just see an ad and buy the product or service. Now that worked in times gone by, but we're in a different environment now. We're getting bombarded with adverts every which way we look. And so we must take people in baby steps, and that's what a marketing funnel allows you to do to your prospects. You must first start with some content, right? The content is going to give value to the audience, right? Like this video here. If you're liking this video so far, quickly give me a like. Do smash it till it turns blue. But this content is designed to give value to an audience. So people know you, they like you, and they trust you. It gives you that expert status. And that's really, really important to understand, right? So content is key. Now, you don't sell anything in the content. You're just there giving value. Once you've done that, there's no problem with asking someone to become a lead into your business. And you're going to do that by capturing some leads, right? Now, how do you do that? You give something away of value. That could be a guide, a report, a discount voucher. I don't mind what it is, but you're going to give something away of value. And that is going to give real expert status to you and allow them to trust you that little bit more. Now, because they've got that, they've got to opt in with that. So they're going to give you their name, email, phone address, whatever you require from them at that point. That allows you to keep building that relationship with them, right? So even if they don't buy anything now, at least you can follow up with email marketing and more value and more expert stuff that you put out there, warming them up, right? As soon as they take your guide or report, though, you're going to try and turn them into a customer. Now, one way that I do that is, this is the third step, customer here, right? Customer. Now, at this stage, I do two things. One, I try and sell something cheap. In fact, I give this away, right? And if you want this book, go and grab it. You can grab it in the description. So my book, Expert Mastery, I give this away to entrepreneurs and business owners. And they pay for the shipping, I pay for the book. I actually lose money on every transaction. Now, the reason I do that is because I know that if they take this book, that a percentage of people will want to work with me in the future. Maybe you want to do that too, right? And so do go and grab a copy while you're here. Now, another option is to turn them into a customer by getting them to book an appointment, right? Maybe you get them to book an appointment where you go and see them, like a visit, or you book a phone appointment. And so that could be your mechanism. I don't know what it is, but on the Business Accelerator, we will help you work that out and map it out, right? So right now, we need to just figure out what that's gonna be, but you're gonna get them to book in. And then on that call or on that visit, you're gonna do a presentation and offer your core product or service, right? This is really, really important. You're gonna offer your core product or service here. So this is the fourth step. Most people they go straight to sell their core product. It doesn't work, right? It just doesn't work anymore. And so you've got to give value first. Now, what most business owners do is they stop here, right? So they've offered the core product and then they want to jump all the way back up and start the whole process again. And that doesn't work either. You need to have a product ladder where you offer more products and services to people with more value that increase in price, right? So I've recently worked with a homeopathist who had homeopathy products, but she offered some cheaper products, a book and a digital course, and then she added a more premium product, which was a retreat that she sold out, a yoga retreat, right? And a wellness retreat, right? Really, really important. Other people have added books, digital courses. It could be that you offer a subscription. I worked with an estate agent that did none of that, that launched a sideline business, which was an estate agency event that they ran to 500 estate agents and then offered a mentoring service to estate agents off the back of that. And that business is nearly doing more than his very successful estate agency. And so we'll work with you to figure out what it is that you get to add in to continue to sell to people. But if you don't have this stuff in, you're just going for the sale all the time. People are getting frustrated. Your marketing's going to be really expensive and you're just going to go round and round in circles, right? And that is why you need a marketing funnel. Now, look, if you want to get this nailed and you want to get more details on how all of this stuff works, then I want to give you something very special here today. And that's membership to my Business Growth Club for 30 days for £1. Now, the Business Growth Club has all my master plans, cheat sheets, and checklists. And in the description is a link where you can grab a 30-day trial for £1. You'll get all of my master plans. Not only that, I'm also going to give you access to my private Facebook group with hundreds of business owners just like you, so you can network and get hold accountable and get shortcuts in your business. And we're going to give you a live training every single week as well, which is going to be an absolute winner for you guys. So go and grab that £1 trial while you're here, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now.